Hey, and welcome at our Huizhou test laboratory. So we are making here temperature tests, and right now we test a new front kit we bonded. And okay, first, what is optical bonding? Optical bonding means that we fill up the air gap between, for example, a touch panel and a panel with a see-through glue. And the effect is that the picture looks better, it's more bright, the contrast is better, and it's more stable. And people probably think, okay, wow, just let's put some glue between, and where is the technology? But in real life, this is an absolute high-tech technology, and faytech is one of the leading companies in this area. And what you see now here is that we are running right now minus 55 degrees temperature test cycle. It's not just minus 55, it goes from minus 55 up to 85 and back. And you see now what happens. You see that it bends strongly. And this is something people misjudge, that you have a lot of different materials which have different coefficients of how they react under temperature. And this leads, for example, that our glue and our solution and technology must calculate all this and be made secure that it survives, that it has no problems in these extreme temperatures, and that it's can be used afterwards in normal life. This will be going into an airplane. We are very proud of this, and I'm more than happy to ask Haber more about our technology, and he will explain us now a little bit.
And okay, let's show you the detail.
Please explain us more what the technology is behind.
Okay, let me show you. For these products, the more challenge is we must be use PC cover glass limitation to the CG, the glass. That's different material. Then we must be bonded the 3M pervious film. Then LCD. You can see there have more layer and the different material that's have a different the expansion routes. So the challenge is when in the low temperature or high temperature, the different expansion routes make the parts expand. Already show you in the label. So we want to survive for the limitation. We must be carefully to choose our glue. That means faytech is specially developing the bonding glue for the limitation, make the parts much more stronger and survive. No air bubble, no peel off. So let's really show the faytech the special bonding glue, the silicone. We use silicone. It's much more clear and much more efficiency and softer to survive and fit in the bending.
Yeah.
So it's our really new technology. That's all.
And this is what is now used in a new airplane. We're still too early to say which airplane, but hopefully soon we are allowed to announce it. Also, we are in military devices, because that's it. We are one of the very last manufacturers globally who are able to offer a minus 55 to plus 85 in extreme situations, even 100 degrees temperature, surviving optical bonding, making our products really on the forefront of what's possible today by technology, because we mix our own chemistry knowledge, our own glue knowledge with long experience of how to work with material, calculate the expandation, and so
yes,
use faytech when you need a reliable bonding partner. Thanks, Haber.